Today, I'm at the Valiant Air Command Warbird Museum in Titusville. Here you can see vintage military aircraft on display, some of which they've restored on site. As you walk in, you're greeted at Memorabilia Hall, where there's plenty of historical memorabilia on display to check out. Can't get enough of this history? Well, from April 6th through 8th, you'll get to see it in action at the Space Coast Warbird Airshow.
Coming here, they'll see a lot of the history of the aircraft that we have here, and it'll be on display, and we'll have people there to explain a lot about what that airplane is and what it's done and the history of it.
Friday night will feature a fantastic fireworks show. Then Saturday and Sunday, it'll be air-to-air combat, reenactments, pyrotechnics, and more. The big show this year will be a reenactment of Pearl Harbor. It'll honor fallen veterans and survivors.